In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact system that allowed me to scale this channel to over $7,700 in just 60 days, and I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to show you the exact system I'm using right now and how I'm automating every single video on this channel. This is a highly automated niche. It's super easy to execute, it has a strong RPM, and it's trending right now. So this is a massive opportunity. I highly recommend you pay close attention, because once you understand how this works, you'll be able to build your own faceless channel in this niche. Right now, this channel has 1.3 million views, 17,490 subscribers, and generated $7,693, which comes out to around a $6 RPM. I upload videos between 12 and 15 minutes long, sometimes even up to 30 minutes. For example, one video I uploaded got 143,000 views. It was 21 minutes long, and that single automated video made me $1,147, and it only took me 15 minutes to create. Everything is done with AI. The thumbnails are made with AI, the script is made with AI, the images are made with AI, and we're automating everything using extensions. You're basically not going to have to do anything manually. We're also using private GPTs and full automation systems, and I'm not the only one in this niche. There are tons of other channels doing the same thing. For example, one channel started uploading just 2 months ago and already hit 2.6 million views. That's around $20,000 in just 2 months. That shows you how insane the virality is in this niche. And once you see how easy it is to make these videos, you'll realize you can build a channel just like this or like mine. The first thing I'm giving you is a free document. It's in the description. Inside that document, you'll find all the steps you need to follow to create these videos. We're going to start by creating the prompt for the scripts from scratch, and we're going to do it using an advanced structure. I'll show you exactly how to build this prompt from zero. First, go to the folder or file I gave you and download the PDF. Once you've downloaded it, go to Claude and upload that PDF. Then go back to the document and copy the first prompt for the script structure. Paste that prompt into Claude. Make sure you activate the correct AI model and also enable extended thinking mode. Once you upload the PDF and paste the prompt, send it. Claude will start analyzing everything and create a file with the full structure of your script. This is extremely important because later it's going to help you generate the perfect script and the perfect video title. Claude will analyze your competitors' viral formats and everything that's already working. It will generate a very detailed structure with hundreds of lines of code. It might take a couple of minutes, so just wait. You don't need to do anything. Once it's done, it'll give you the full structure for your prompt. In my case, it generated 582 lines of code. That's your full script structure from scratch. This structure is key to building perfect scripts and titles. After that, copy all the code, open a new chat in Claude, and paste it. Then go back to your downloads and re-upload the same PDF. Go back to the document and copy the second prompt for the structure. Paste that into Claude as well. Now you're sending 3 things: the code you copied, the PDF, and the new prompt telling Claude what to do next. Activate the AI model and extended thinking again, then send everything. Claude will take 1 or 2 minutes to analyze it all and generate the final version of your prompt. This time, it'll give you the complete and definitive prompt. You never have to repeat this process again. This structure step is extremely important, but if you want to skip all of it, inside my school community, I've already uploaded the final prompt file so you can download it directly without going through this entire process. Once you have the final prompt, copy all the code, open Notepad, paste it in, and this step is very important. When you save the file, select all files as the format. Then name it whatever you want. But at the end, you must add the correct extension. If you don't add that extension, it won't save properly. This is crucial. Once you do that, save it, and now you have your file ready. Next, open a new chat in Claude and upload the prompt file you just saved. Then type create a new script and title. Select the AI model, activate extended thinking mode, and send it. It'll analyze the entire structure, titles, everything, and generate a highly detailed analysis. This is the process you follow to create a perfect script and title. This is how you build a perfect title. This is how you build a perfect script. And this is the real way to create a prompt from scratch based on trends and your competition. You'll see Claude analyzing every step and then starting to write the script. It's optimized for a general audience because that's who we're targeting. These aren't professional investors. It's regular people trying to invest a little bit of money and learn something new. So the title and script must be simple, optimized, and made for a general audience. Once it's done, it will generate the video title and the full script. If you want a shorter script, just tell it to reduce it by 40%. The script will be fully structured and optimized. Now that you have the script, the next step is voice generation. You have 3 options. Option 1 is cloning a voice for free. I teach that inside my school community, and I even give you 10,000 accounts so you can clone voices and use all the credits. I also show you how to bypass limitations in 11 Labs and other details. Option 2 is using 11 Labs directly and choosing a voice that matches the tone of the channel you're inspired by. Option 3 is using Google AI Studio. The voice quality isn't as good, but it's completely free because you can generate unlimited characters. The voices aren't the best, but they're decent. Once you generate the voice, you now have your script and voice ready. Next step, the thumbnail. Go to the website I left in the free document, then go to the reference channel you're inspired by and copy the link of a thumbnail you like. Paste that link into the site to download the thumbnail. Then go to ChatGPT and upload that thumbnail along with the prompt I left for you in the document. Copy the entire prompt and paste it. ChatGPT will analyze the thumbnail and ask you to upload a photo of your character. In the document, I've included an image of a character. If you can't copy it directly, there's a download link below it. Download the image, open a new chat in ChatGPT, upload the character image, and paste the new prompt I gave you. Then specify the traits you want your character to have. It should have the same style, but slightly different features. So it's not identical. The traits are up to you. Send the prompt and ChatGPT will generate your character image. Once it's done, download it. Go back to the chat where you were generating the thumbnail and upload your new character image. It will analyze it and generate an optimized thumbnail prompt for your character. That's just the basic version. The advanced thumbnail prompt is inside my school community. With that, you can create insane thumbnails like the ones I've been making. The version here is just a basic example. Copy the thumbnail prompt and go to Artlist, choose image mode, select the Flux 2.0 Pro model, and use a 16:9 aspect ratio. Upload your character image, paste the thumbnail prompt. Then go back to Claude, copy your video title, and paste it into Artlist where it says video title. Then generate the thumbnail. Remember, this is a basic version. If you want the advanced perfect version, it's inside my school community. You can join for free, ask questions, and see real results from members. For example, one member monetized his channel in one day using these automations. Another member made $1,600 with just one video in this niche. You can see all the results inside the community. Artlist only gives you 2 free credits per account, but inside school I give you 10,000 accounts so you can use all the credits. To download the thumbnail from Artlist, right-click the image, open it in a new tab, and download it. Then run it through an AI upscaler to improve the quality and remove Artlist detection systems. Also make sure you convert it to PNG if it doesn't download as PNG. Now comes the most important step, real automation. I use a private GPT for this niche, which I've also uploaded to school. I also use an extension to automate image generation. I'll leave the extension in the document so you can use it too. Here's how it works. I copy the full title and script generated by Claude and send it to my private GPT. It then generates one image prompt approximately every 5 seconds of the script, and it sends each prompt on a new line with no commas. That's crucial because the extension needs 1 prompt per line. Then I open the image automation extension, select the first version, choose 16:9, and upload my character reference image. I copy all the prompts from ChatGPT. If it didn't generate enough, just ask it to create 1 prompt every 5 seconds of the script. Copy everything, paste it into the extension, and click start. Now it automatically generates all the images. It downloads them one by one. First image, second image, third image. It keeps going until you stop it. Completely automatic. You don't touch anything. Once all images are generated, go to CapCut. The images will be downloaded into a specific folder, so open that folder and upload all of them into your CapCut project. Add the voiceover you generated earlier. Add a keyframe at the beginning, then another at the end with a slight zoom on the character's face, just a small zoom. You can also add subtitles if you want, then copy the attributes and paste them onto all the images, and that's it. Fully automated. That's how I automate this niche. This is the exact process I use to create these videos. I can make a video in 10 to 15 minutes because I already have all my private GPTs and systems ready, and I'll be leaving those inside the community. It's also important to use anti-detect browsers and proxies. If you've had a YouTube channel removed before, or you're dealing with shadow bans, this is critical. If you want to scale multiple faceless channels, you need proxies. I have a full tutorial in the community explaining how to set them up properly. I'll also give you algorithm boosted YouTube channels and more niches where we can create insane thumbnails and scripts. We're going to do things that haven't been seen before on YouTube. It might sound arrogant, but I genuinely believe this is one of the best faceless YouTube communities right now. You can see the real results from members directly inside the community. They're not screenshots I'm showing you here. You can join for free and check everything yourself. You'll see testimonials, results, full transparency. Inside the community, you'll find everything: YouTube policies, how to become an expert at prompt engineering, private systems accounts, how to get 4,000 watch hours fast, video reviews, channel translation strategies, and many more things I don't even have time to mention. And that's the full process I use to create these automated videos that are generating thousands of dollars, specifically $7,600 from just 1.3 million views. You don't need 1.3 million views on one channel. You could have 4 or 5 channels each doing 200,000 monthly views and generate the same money. You don't need one massive success. You can diversify across niches and languages, which is exactly what I recommend and what I personally do. And that's it. There's no hidden secret. I've told you everything from how I create prompts from scratch to how I automate image generation. That's the entire system. The only thing left to tell you is this: be consistent. Upload videos even if they're not perfect, even if they're bad at the beginning, just start. Starting is the most important part of this business, and most importantly, be patient. You got the free document in the description so you can create your first basic video. And if you want to scale and take this seriously, you've got the school community waiting for you.